y'all, this is Kina with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the June 2021 cloth and paper subscription stationery box. Y'all, I might be getting rid of cloth and paper, not because of anything they did. I just have so much stuff that I don't even use. We'll see. I hear that the new inserts are coming, so let's get into this box. If you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so let's get started with the what's inside card. It says thank you for subscribing to our June 2021 stationery box. We hope you enjoy this box of our newest stylish designs we have created for you to use in your planning routine. So I'm going to sit this up here so that I can go in the order, and let me not forget, on the other side you can see all of the things that are in the box. So first thing up is the Happy Planner mini planner bundle. And it says we wanted to celebrate our 6-year anniversary in a big way. This month all subscribers have received everything you need to create your own Happy Planner mini planner. This bundle includes a set of clear plastic discs. Clear plastic discs, an exclusive Happy Planner mini glass plastic notebook cover, and a pack of our new duo note inserts. So I'm going to sit these up here. Let's go ahead and get into this cover, y'all. This is heavy duty. I can feel it in the packaging. This sucker's heavy duty. So for those of you that don't already know, while I don't show it here on this channel, I do have a Happy Planner mini that goes in my purse. This is my on-the-go planner. Majority of it is Fancy Plans Co. stuff. There is some cloth and paper. There's some other shops in there. And one day soon, I'll give you guys a flip through of it so you can see what's going on in there. But these are the clear glass plastic notebook covers. Y'all see how thick those are? That's gorgeous. Don't always remember to pull the plastic protective, this little plastic piece off, so that you see that they're glass and not frosted. They look frosted with the plastic on. They are glass, clear glass when you take it off. Not gonna take it off yet because I'm not ready to use them, but these are the plastic notebook covers. Then we have our discs. We got 8 discs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I just said 8. Happy Planner mini is a 7-disc system, so you have one left over. Or if you currently have a half letter is 8 discs. So these are the plastic discs, and they are 1.5 inches, 38 millimeters. And then we have what's called the new duo note inserts. Yes, so let's pull these out of here. So we just have a blank section here on the left and lined grid on the right. Up here, very faint, there's a section for you to write a date, and they are the same on both sides. So this is the Happy Planner mini planner bundle. Next up, we have our dashboards. If you're new here, my cloth and paper box currently comes in A5 6-hole punched, because that is the planning system that I'm using at the moment. And the description for these says what's black, white, and bold all over. Our anniversary edition dashboards are unmistakably cloth and paper. The elegant aesthetic and luxury cloth and I missed an entire line. The elegant aesthetic dashboard encompasses the beauty and luxury cloth and paper is known for, while the sleek marbled dashboard is a timeless statement piece. So let's get these opened. So this one's a heavy cardstock, and it says aesthete. I'm butchering that. It's a noun. It says someone with deep sensitivity to the beauty of art or nature, and it's a volume 6. And then the marble is the same material, the heavy cardstock, and we have the marbled liquids and a blank back. So these are the dashboards in this month's box. Next up, we have our inserts, and the description says, don't miss a moment this summer with this trio of inserts. I only see 2. Oh, I missed one. Trio of inserts. In addition to our new handy half-page graph inserts, this month's box features the July and August dated horizontal weekly inserts. We have included these 2 months to ensure you have a head start on planning for the rest of the year. We will continue to include 1 monthly set of dated horizontal weekly inserts in your upcoming boxes to help you finish the year strong. Oh, y'all. Let me set July and August up here, and let's go through the half-page graph notes. So this is fairly straightforward. You got a half page. It is A5 sized half page of the lined graph. Ooh, plenty of pages too. Love it. And then let's jump into August, because I am quite a fan of these horizontal weekly layouts. So we've got July, cloth and paper, the number 7 for it's the 7th month, and this big J. And we flip over into, ooh, y'all, this is definitely different. It's dated from Monday the 28th of June and goes into Sunday the 1st of August. And we've got a section for priorities, memo next week, and then we have our monthly calendar here. It does have the holidays here, International Joke Day. That's funny. And then we have Independence Day, of course. And then it's the same for each week of the month. The last week, and then we jump into a line grid note section. So these are the July inserts, and I'm sure it'll be the same for August. So these are the inserts in this month's box. The next item up is something I'm pretty sure so many people joined and purchased the cloth and paper kit for, is this Ollie Clip. I know y'all been waiting to see this. So the description says, cloth and paper and Ollie block collaborations are always something special, but we've taken it up a notch this month. We're excited to debut our latest exclusive black Ollie Clip with a sleek matte finish. Oh y'all, this is soft. Ooh, that's nice. Y'all, I love Ollie Clip. So let me see, because I just recently bought the pink Ollie Clip and it feels kind of flimsy compared to this one. It could just be me. Did you get this new Ollie Clip, y'all? Tell me what y'all think. It looks exactly the same, minus the cloth and paper engraving. But I don't know, the quality just feels different. And it may just be because it's matte. We're so used to that additional plastic on the exterior that gives it kind of a rigid feel. But y'all, this color together is everything. So this is the Ollie Clip in this month's box. The next item up is the drop sticker set, and it says, we've given our shape sticker sets a makeover. Enjoy our newest drop sticker set in Venice, an exclusive color for this month's box. Ooh. Oh, okay. We've got different sizes here. Go ahead, cloth and paper. Ooh, ooh, come on out of there. Ooh, so many. Okay. So we've got drop stickers, transparent. This is 2 of 5. Okay, we've got 1 of 5, the smaller drops. 2 of 5, slightly bigger. Goodness gracious. They're everywhere. We've got 3 of 5, slightly bigger. 4 of 5, we've got a combination of the first 3. And then 5 of 5 is the same. So page 4 and page 5 are the same. So we've got plenty of drop stickers in the color, the Venice color. Let me see, make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay. Plenty of drop stickers in the new Venice color. Let me put this back down so you guys can see it against the white background. So it's a very light blue color in different sizes, y'all. So these are the drop stickers. This is the drop sticker set. Last but not least, we have our journaling cards for the month of, are we in August? We're in August already. Goodness gracious. So we have our clear 2021, August 2021 journaling card. We've got our matte card. We've got another card that says there are all these moments you think you won't survive, and then you do. There are all these moments you think you won't survive, and you do. Okay, so that's repeated over and over. That's the same, so they're the same color. Maybe I got two by mistake. And then we have just be in the moment, and it says our minds give us so much to consider, but sometimes being present is all we need to do. And that's by Rodolfo Hernandez. So these are the journaling cards in this month's box. Alright y'all, this is the June 2020 cloth and paper subscription box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, of course subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.